Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayat number 62 of Surah Maida and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وترى كثيرا منهم. For wow, circle your lips. Patha open jaws. Ta, very sharp sound. For patha open jaws, the sound is short. Ra, 2 counts long. And ra will be heavy. Whenever ra is with patha or dhamma, it is heavy. Ka, for patha open jaws. Ti, 2 counts long. Ram, for patha open jaws, attach it. Mim. This is idgham, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time, because this gunna is akmal. Ramin, for kasra give e sound attached with noon will get sifa of tawassut and ruling it with her. Hum, for dhamma circle ellipse attached with mim will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. You, for dhamma circle ellipse, and ya is a light letter and make it soft. You, sa, 2 counts long. Eri, for kasra give e sound. Ru, and for dhamma circle ellipse make it 2 counts long. Na, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Feel, for kasra give e sound attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. If, for tha give rakhawa. If, me, for kasra give e sound. Well, makhraj of wow, circling your lips attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Well, ud, for ain should be from your throat. For dhamma, circle your lips attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala. As you will touch dal, your lips should be in a straight position. Wa, 2 counts long. For dhamma, circle your lips. Ni, for kasra give e sound. Wa, makhraj of wow, circling your lips. For fatha open jaws. Ak, hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws attached with kaf. Kaf will get sifa of hums, and hums is a flow of breath. Ak, li, for kasra give e sound. He, for kasra, for ha give e sound for kasra, and the sound is short. Mus, for dhamma circle your lips attached with seen. As you will touch seen, your lips should be in a straight position. Then the second seen is with dhamma. So musuhat for dhamma, and then like, okay, I'm explaining it again. When you are attaching meme with seen, you have dhamma on meme. When you are pronouncing meme, your lips should be in a straight position. As you will touch seen, your lips should be in a straight position. Here you are circling your lips, but as you will touch seen, your lips should be in a straight position. Mus. And then you, on second scene, you are circling your lips. Suh. And then attach with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa. Suh. And give hums on ta. Suh. La, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. B, for kasra with e sound attached with hamza. Hamza will get shidda. Shidda means there is no flow of sound. B, the sound should stop abruptly. B, sa, for fatha open jaws. Ma, 2 counts long. Ka, 2 counts long. And kaf should be light. No, for dhamma circular, make it 2 counts long. Yeah, keep ya soft. For fatha open jaws attached with ain. Ain will get sifa off. Tawassut and rule, yes, and it should be from your throat. Yeah, ma, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Loon, give tawassut on noon, and because of the work you are giving, and this temporary box had changed this 2 counts long vowel into 4. So this is madarat lisakun. وترى كثيرا منهم يسارعون في الإثم والعدوان وأكلهم السحت لبئس ما كانوا يعملون. Lawla, law. This is lean, so make it 2 counts long and make it soft. Law, la, 2 counts long. Yen. Yeah is soft. Fatha upon jaws attached. Noon will get sifa of tawassut and ruling it with ha. Yen. Ha. Two counts long. Who for the muscle lips. More for the muscle lips attached. Ra will get sifa of tawassut. More. And then ra will be heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha, it is heavy. More. Ba. Ba. Two counts long. Knee. For kasra, give e sound attached with ya. Here you are giving number. Whenever wow and ya are with tashdeed, they are giving and getting number, and number is a jump of sound. Ni you, then you will be two counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Well for makhraj of wow circle in your lips, for fatha upon jaws attached with lam, lam will get sifa off. Tawassut. Well Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa and hams and it is light. And ha should be from your throat. Ba, for the muscle lips, the sound is short and ra is heavy. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws, and this ikhfa is heavy because qaf is among heavy letters. So you have to lift your tongue up when you're creating ikhfa. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws. Attached wow, this is lean, so make it soft and make it two counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. He for kasra give e sound. Mul for the circle lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. If for kasra give e sound attached with ta. Ta will get sifa of rakhawa and hams. ما وفتح open jaws و مخرج واو circling your lips فتح open jaws أك Hamza is very sharp for cough give hums and hums is flow of breath أك li for kasra give e sound he for kasra give e sound mus for Dhamma circle lips attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of rakhawa and it has safir and it is light. Musuh give ha rakhawa and it has hums, and when you are giving sukoon here, this ta will get hums, and hums is flow of breath. La for fatha open jaws. B for kasra give e sound attached with hamza. Hamza will get sifa of shidda, so the sound will cut off abruptly. B sa for fatha open jaws. Ma two counts long. Ka two counts long. No for the circle lips, make it two counts long. Yes for yeah will be light for fatha upon jaws attached with sad. Sad will get sifa of rakhawa and it will be heavy and it has safir. Yes na roon. Ain should be from your throat for the circle lips, and you're giving temporary sukoon because of this fact. This temporary sukoon has changed this two counts long vowel into four. This is mad adad lisakun. لولا ينهاهم الربانيون والأحبار عن قولهم الإثم وأكلهم السحت لبئس ما كانوا يصنعون. ومخرج الواو circle in your lips فتح open jaws. قاف is heavy, make it two counts long. لا for فتح open jaws, the sound is short. Til for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow sound. Yeah for is soft and for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Who for dhamma circle lips, make it two counts long. Do for dhamma circle lips, the sound is short. Yeah, it's soft for fatha open your jaws. Dullah. Dal will be light, but lafz jalala will be heavy. Dullah. Two counts long. He For kasra, give E sound. Maw. Keep meme light, but ghain will be heavy. It will get rakhawa and it is heavy. Maw. Lu. For dhamma, circle lips, make it two counts long. La. Lam is short. And ha, this circle ta will be changed into ha because of the waqf, and this will get rakhawa then. La. Let's Ghain should be heavy for the muscle lips attached with lam will and give the wasut here let's for top on jaws attached with that I will get sip of hums, and this hums is flow of breath. I Hamza is sharp of a top on jaws attached with yeah will be this is lean, so make it soft and make it two counts long. The D is harf mat, make it two counts long. Him, for kasra, give E sound attached with meme, we will get sifa of the wasut, and ruling is with half. مخرج واو circling your lips, fatha open jaws, lu for the circle your lips, the sound is short, ain from your throat for kasra give E sound, no for the circle your lips, make it two counts long, b for kasra give E sound, ma two counts long, qaf is heavy, make it two counts long, lu for the circle your lips, make it two counts long. Bell for fatha open jaws attached with lam will get sifa of tawassut. Yeah, very soft for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Da two counts long. Who for the circle lips, the sound is short. Mab for fatha open jaws attached with ba will get sifa of qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. Su make it two counts long. Ta is heavy for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ta this is light and make it two counts long. Ni for kasra give eve sound. Make soft for the circle lips, and this ikhfa and this ikhfa is light, so make so keep your tongue straight. Fi give a hams and fa for kasra give e sound. Po for the circle lips, the sound is short. Kay this is harf lean, so make it two counts long and make it soft. Fa give hums and fa for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Yasha is soft for fatha open jaws, and you're giving waqf on this hamza, and it will get nabar, and this will be four counts long. Yasha مخرج واو circling your lips, fatha open jaws, la short. Yeah is soft and short. Z two counts long. Then fatha open jaws attached. Noon gets sifa of akmal gunna. So keep the sound in a longer time. For fatha, the sound is short. Na kaf is short. Thi two counts long. Ram idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Min idhar. Ruling is ithar, but the suffice tawassut. Hum idgham mutajanisain. No. idgham mutamasilain. idgham mutamasilain أو idgham shafawi. منهم ما four counts long. Hamza is very sharp for Dhamma, circle your lips, and as you will touch ikhfa, your lips should be in a straight position. This ikhfa is light, so keep the tongue in your straight position. Z for kasra give E sound, the sound is short. La for fatha open jaws, E. Hamza is very sharp for kasra give E sound. Lay two counts long, because this is half lean. Make it soft, make it two counts long. Ka for fatha open jaws. Nir. This is idgham without gunna, so you are not keeping the sound in your nose at all. Mir ra will be heavy whenever ra is with fatha. It is heavy. Mir rabbi for kasra give e sound. Ka for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Oh, ta is heavy for the circle your lips, and then when you will touch a ghain, your lips should be in a straight position. Ghain will be heavy. It will get rakhawa. Oh, yeah, two counts long and keep yeah soft and light. Now it gone with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for longer time. Poof. For the circle lips, as you will touch fa, your lips should be in a straight position, and fa will get humps. Ra, mad, awad, has make it two counts long. و مخرج فا circle in your lips, fatha open jaws. Al, hamza is very sharp, fatha open jaws. Attach with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow sound. Qai, qaf is heavy, fatha open jaws, attach it, yeah. This is lean, so make it soft and make it two counts long. Na, two counts long. Bay, papata open jaws attach it. Yeah, make it soft, make it two counts long because this is lean. Na, papata open jaws. Who, for the circle lips. Mul, for the circle lips attach it. Lam, lam will get sipa of the wasut, and the wasut is medium flow of sound. Ah, Ain from your throat, papata open jaws, the sound is short. Da, two counts long. Ua, for wow circle lips, papata open jaws. That for fatha open jaws, the sound is very sharp. Well, for fatha open your jaws and attach it. Lam lam will get sifa of the wasut. Bell keep ba light, but ghain will be heavy and أغاني من القصيدة أبرة خاوة بيضاء four counts long. Hamza is very sharp, so don't merge this mud letter and Hamza together, but it has very, very different sounds. Ba, this is mud, and then Hamza is very sharp. Papa open jaws, the sound is short. Hamza is very sharp. These two and should be very separately, nicely heard. والبغضاء إلى for constructive E sound. La, two counts long. Yow. Yeah, is very soft for top and jaws. This is lean, so make it soft and make it two counts long. Nil for constructive E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sip out the wasut. Qi, qaf is heavy for constructive E sound. Yeah, two counts long and keep ya soft. Ma. وفتح open jaws attached with ha will get sipa of raqawa. Kul for the circle ellipse attached with lam will get sipa of tawassut. Kul la وفتح open jaws, the sound is short. Ma, four counts long. Mad munfasil jaiz. Ow, hamza is very sharp. وفتح open jaws, make it two counts long, make it soft because this is half lean. Qaf is heavy for the open jaws, the sound is short. Do for the circle lips, make it two counts long. Na, two counts long. Walil, this is idgham without gunna. Walil, for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get above tawassut. How, ha is light, and for fatha open jaws, it should be from your throat attached with ra. Ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. How, give the wasat on ra. B for kasra give isan. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with ta. Ta will get sifa of qalqala, and this qalqala will be heavy because ta is heavy. Fa fa give hams in fa. Hamza very sharp for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. How, sorry, this is not long at all. Allah, give rakhawa on ha because this has sukoon. For wow circle lips, for fatha open jaws, yes. For fatha open jaws attached with sin will get sifa of raqawa, and it has safir and it is light. Ow, ain from your throat, for fatha open jaws, make it soft, make it two counts long because this is lean. Na, for fatha open jaws, feel for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ow, hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut, and ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Li for kasra give e sound. Fa give hams in fa. Sa, two counts long. Da mad awal had changed this the meaning to two counts long vowel. Wallahu, makhraj of waw circling your lips, fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Wallahu, for the circle lips. La, two counts long. You keep yeah soft for the circle lips attached. For the circle lips. أنا تاجد لام يوجد صفة of توسط. sorry. بول keep لام light. move for the circle ellipse تاجد I will get صفة of humps. C for كسرة keep E sound. دين we are giving temporary second because of the bug. This temporary second has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is مدارة للسكون, and we are giving توسط unknown because of the second. وقالت اليهود يد الله مغلولة غلت أيديهم ولعنوا بما قالوا بل يداه مبسوطتان ينفق كيف يشاء وليزيدن كثيرا منهم ما أنزل إليك من ربك طغيانا وكفرا وألقينا بينهم العداوة والبغضاء إلى يوم القيامة كلما أوقدوا نارا للحرب أطفأها الله ويسعون في الأرض فسادا والله لا يحب المفسدين. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.